Wood for building our cart for the 671 Detroit diesel engine. Enjoy this video, like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Hi, this is Mike Long with Fixing with the Long Bros. Here we are out at the Diamond Lumber. We're going to get some 4x6 wood, and we're going to make a frame for the cradle so we can work on it.
Roll it around. We got wheels. Got some wheels, and we're gonna build a frame to put the engine cradle on, and then maybe even be able to put the engine and the cradle on.
Looks like that stuff's pretty warped.
Yeah. We got the engine cradle. We got the engine out of the bus, and we've rebuilt it and everything. But in our garage, we want to roll it around, and we don't have a forklift. We used to have a forklift. I don't want it around the house, a forklift. So anyway, we're building a cradle for the cradle, and we got wheels, big wheels that we're gonna kind of roll it around, move it where we need to. I think this would hold all that up, don't you?
I would think it would, yeah.
The cradle's not that heavy.
Yeah.
The cradle's not, but the engine's about 2,000 pounds.
Engine's 2,300 pounds.
Yeah, I would think these would hold.
I think they would hold good, don't you?
Yeah.
Is this what you would
How
suggest?
much gap are you gonna have between where it's?
Well, that's the problem. The cradle's going to sit on top of this, so the engine,
And we could bolt it to the. So
as long as you had enough room from the floor to the
right.
oil pan.
Right.
Well, it sticks. I don't think that oil pan sticks down below the.
Yeah. I think it.
Would you suggest this, the treated, or would you think something else would be better?
Well, 2x6. Yeah, probably just treated.
Treated
Yeah,
would be
that'd
better,
be a
wouldn't it?
solid. Yeah, that'd be the most solid of the two.
Let me introduce David. David, we worked with out at Joe Blinn when we first came to Clown
Oh, is
Falls.
this for your YouTube?
Yeah, we're gonna put it on.
We put everything on YouTube.
You'll be all around the world.
You know, it might take some treated 2x4s, put them underneath here so we can connect these together. Because if you don't, you're going to have some sort of an angle iron to put in between them to connect them. Either that or a really long bolt.
Yeah.
But I want these to be flush across each other, you know, that way, and make the frame.
Yeah.
So if you put 2x4 underneath it and bolted the 2x4, then you could flip it over and put the wheels on this part, right?
Yeah, I would think so.
That would probably work,
Yeah.
because I've been thinking about how to hook these, because I have some bolts. You can get some bolts in there probably for long enough
Well,
for that.
You bought a bunch of bolts.
You know, structurally, it's probably more strong this direction, up and down, like this.
Yeah.
But it's still awfully strong like that. You got to figure if you're looking at just a solid piece of wood, it's 3.5 inches solid wood. So
Well, this way is structurally stronger. That's
Yeah,
how you.
yeah,
That's how you
for
put a
weight.
beam up for.
a joist or a
yeah.
rafter, yeah. So you're gonna get a little.
So I got to get a longer bolt then. If this is 6 inches, I'd have to get with a 2x4 on top, connecting these. Yeah. Well, the wheels, I still have a problem then, because that's what the wheelbase
Oh yeah.
is
yeah.
wider. That's why I was going to get the 2x6, unless we got 6x6s.
Yeah, I can't imagine that it wouldn't hold at least 2,500 pounds, at least. And then two of them, you're distributing the weight a little more.
It's got to be laid this way.
Yeah.
I think it'd be fine with
Yeah,
it.
yeah,
We're not
I think you still got quite
So
a bit
do we
of wood.
need to get some more bolts?
need to. Well, yeah, because I
Can you
got
just do a screw in to the wood?
all the way through to the next piece.
Yeah.
I'd bolt them.
Yeah, drill it and bolt them.
Yeah, that's what
You're
I'd
gonna
think.
you're gonna have this way too.
Yeah.
You're
And
gonna
then
have
just put a big
box.
flat washer
Yeah,
on the bolt. And
Both sides.
It'd be definitely secure.
yeah.
Yeah.
That's what I'm gonna do. All right, well, we've decided that, but I need some straight ones. Those are all warped, and looks like these might be better.
Yeah, once you get down, you might.
Hello, everybody. This is Mike Long, and Fixing It with the Long Bros. Fixing It with the Long Bros. Anyway, today I'm gonna measure the cradle that we're going to make with some 4x6s, and I'm going to go from this point here to here, which is 54 inches. What did I do with my gloves? I need my gloves. Okay, go in the house. Okay, I'm out here by the saw. I'm going to cut my 45-degree angles. So I'm going to set the saw blade right at 45 degrees.